brought this for you, go.
Thank you so much. It's big.
Yes, because you're big.
Thank you so much.
Where's your mother?
She went to the forest to get some herbs.
Oh, okay.
My mother made a kiddie. Should I serve you some?
No. I'll eat next time. Please.
It's okay. Where do we meet today?
We'll meet today, we'll meet tomorrow. Because we have the age grade meeting today. So I can't make it to see you. We'll see you tomorrow.
It's okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you once again.
You're welcome. It's okay. Let me go home and rest. I'm tired.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye. Hey. Hi. This is a big catch. Love is not the Greetings, Ichi.
I greet you, Oma.
Greetings.
Greetings, Oma. Olisa, we have come to talk to you because it is bad for an elder to sit at home while the she-goat delivers in theater.
Olisa, Ichi is correct. We have come as your kingsmen to do what is right.
And what is the right thing you want to do?
Oh, Olisa, so you cannot even offer us seats?
You should have let me know you were coming, so I could keep seat for you. Easy.
What is he talking about? Eh? Listen, Olisa, we are here for serious matter.
Oh, at first, you are here to do the right call. And now, it is a serious matter. Which one will I deal with first?
We are not here to exchange words with you.
Ichi and the Mezi, can you go straight and say the right thing and the serious matter? As you can see, we are busy.
Oh, so we are talking rubbish.
Woman, go to the last room.
Yes, my lord.
Easy, please.
Yes, my lord.
Oma, are you with your senses? Can't you say that Olisa has turned you into a slave?
Ichi, am I complaining? Have I run to your house to complain that Olisa treats me badly?
Woman, go in and get me the last power.
Yes, my lord.
Look, Mom. Ichi. Let us go.
Are you done with the right and the serious matter?
Ichi, let us go. What do we call this? Ichi, you have said it all there. She's under a spell. Then, what do? We have to call the Kingsmen for a meeting.
Emeze, you are right. We have to invite him. Let him come and tell us what he has done to his wife.
Bam. That is just the idea.
Let us go. Olisa. Emeze. Emeze. Are you sure they will come? Oh, he's here.
Greetings.
Greet your man.
Run, go home. Get me my snuff box.
You see what we are talking about?
Dikeh, we have to start talking about this right away.
Now, Nze, Emeze, we have to wait for Nwawulu to come. Let us wait for Nwawulu to come.
Oma, didn't you see me? What is after her? Hey.
Oma! 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 Oma, what is after you? Who is after you? Oma!
Yes,
that's very good.
No,
You're welcome.
no, it's good you are here. Let's go straight to the point.
Olisa, they brought a case to me about you and your wife.
What do you mean?
Do not pretend you don't know what we're talking about, Olisa.
Oh no, help us ask Olisa what he has done to his wife.
Olisa, they said you used a love charm on your wife, and that has taken away her senses.
My wife loves me unconditionally.
Asiocha. Asiocha.
Greetings.
You see? Oh no, you see what we are talking about? Just look at it.
I am only concerned about one thing. Oma, does your husband treat you badly?
Say it.
I am not invited to this meeting.
Oma, answer him. Does he beat you?
My husband does not lay his hands on me.
You can go. We are not yet through with her. Oh no, we are not through with her. Let her go. This is no case. The woman in question is not complaining. But no, you saw what just happened here now, didn't you? Every young couple has a way of expressing their affection. Oh, I quite disagree with you, no. Not this time.
Olisa has to tell us his kinsman what he has done to his wife.
Yes.
It is an insult for you to tell a man how to live in his house, for as much as he is not committing abomination.
I'm going home. What are you going to do to save this woman? What are you going to do? we have to go and tell her people. Very good. Our people is
sometimes what we want so badly could be meant for somebody else. Just wisdom and understanding is the way to a better life.
He has decided to take a new wife.
Would you allow him do that?
Ugo, I want him to be happy. If taking a new wife will make him happy, if taking a new wife will give him a child, then I am happy.
Oma, you are a strong woman. The gods will help you.
Yes, sir.
Goma, you're not saying anything.
Olisa will be coming with us people in the next quarter. Why are you looking at me like that, mother?
Which Olisa are you talking about?
How many Olisas do we have in this clan?
Why are you this desperate?
Mother, he thinks I can give him a child.
He thinks you can give him a child. There is something else to this.
Mother, there is nothing else to it than love.
Goma, I see lust in you. I see desperation and betrayal.
Mother, it's enough, Mother, it's enough. Enough. Oma is away, and she's approved of it.
She is?
Yes. She said she wants to make Olisa happy, and she wouldn't want another woman to share her man but me.
Olisa, I think it's not fair. First, Ugoma is her best friend. And secondly, she has done a lot for you.
Eh? What has she done for me?
Olisa, have you forgotten? Have you forgotten you made her sleep with another man?
Eh? No, remember, she chose to sleep with another man.
Olisa, I disagree with you. You made her sleep with another man all because you were desperate for a child. Yes.
Emesie, what is your problem? Why are you getting angry that I want to get married to another woman and have children like other men? Why?
Olisa, I am angry because you're seeing Ugoma behind Oma. And now you want to betray her. It's not fair.
Emesie, I don't want to get angry. If you have power in this house, go and bring it, let me drink. Or I will start going.
My friend, I do not have palm wine, but I'll keep telling you the truth. It's not fair. It's not just fair.
You don't have palm wine, that's what you said. That means I should go. Let me ask you, what do you know?
What do you want to stand for?
You will suffer until you enter your fall. Obanje, so you have started again. Oma, we'll go inside. Go.
So she's using me now to learn her Obanje skill. I will deal with you when you come back here. I will deal with you!
Olisa, I just saw Oma walking like a ghost.
Her Obanje has started again. But I will show her.
Not to worry. Besides, I'm not here for Oma. You know why I'm here. Let's go inside. Come now. Where are you going to? I called you severally, but you refused to answer me. I'll come back and see you later. Olisa. Can I see?
Oma! Oma!
My lord.
I'm going to my in-laws. Make sure that this compound is so clean that when my new wife arrives, she will like this place. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my lord.
Hey, come here. Put this one on my head.
Ini
Remember to keep this contact.
As long as it pleases the gods, it is well.
What can never be us, can never be us. It's all about destiny, destiny. So you see, love is not the problem.
Oma!
It's not the problem.
Oma! We are home.
Sometimes
we are home.
Yes, we are.
My Lord, is that how to welcome a new wife?
Goma.
Is that how to welcome a new wife?
Welcome. Welcome.
Take this. Take her things inside. You're welcome, my dear. Huh? You're welcome. Are you still standing there? Are you still standing there? It's okay, my dear. It's okay. Please, come on, sit down. No. Come on, sit down.
I'm hungry.
Oh, don't worry yourself. She'll prepare something for you. Oma!
Have I not suffered enough?
You chose this, remember? When you are ready to answer your call, happiness will come.
My strength is weak. My heart is broken.
Who are you talking to?
My chief.
And you don't know my wife needs to eat.
I'm sorry, my lord.
You're sorry and you're still standing.
Oma. How could you do this to me? How could you?
Oma, you should be happy I came to help you. For 5 years you have failed to give Olisa a child.
You dare to say that to me?
Swear that you do not know what happened to my children.
Swear that you do not.
Stop it, Oma, stop it!
You are a very wicked woman.
Are you insane? How dare you shout at my wife?
I am sorry, my lord.
Get out! Get out! Go and prepare something for us to eat. Leave!
Yes, my lord.
Now! My love, I'm sorry. Did she touch you?
She almost did.
Next time, I will teach her a lesson she will never forget in a hurry. It's okay, my dear. It's okay. Okay? Come on, smile for me. Come on. Smile for me. Alright. Come, I want to show you something. Yes. You will like it. You will like it. Are we not going to wash our hands?
Where is the water? Biko, be fast.
Give to my new wife.
Hey! Who do we have here? Nick, you met us well. Welcome.
What is this?
In-law, sit down.
Nick, come and join us.
What is this that I'm seeing? Me, Oma, served you water to wash your hands?
Mother, I am a new wife.
And new wives cannot fetch water for themselves to wash their hands? Guma, what have you become?
My in-law, this is nothing. Oma is not complaining.
How can she complain when a tyrant is seated here? Ugoma, I want to see you. Now. Quickly, I want to see you. Ugoma, are you pregnant already?
No, mother. Why do you ask?
Why would you let your co-wife serve you as if you're a queen?
Mother, she chose to be a slave.
She chose to be a slave in her own house. What has come over you? A few weeks ago, Oma was your best friend. How could you let her be humiliated and treated like an outcast in her own house?
Mother, so you came to my husband's house to insult me?
Me, Noma, your mother, came to your house to insult you? I will never, did you hear what I just said? Set my foot into this house again until I see a change.
She chose to be a slave.
Men use their manhood to urinate, but real men use their heads.
Obim. Pay no attention to her. Let's eat. So you left without waking me up to know if I've got 30 clothes?
Yourself and Elisa are instructed that I never wake you up again when you're sleeping.
Take. Wash them clean.
Ugomma, have I offended you in any way? Why are you doing this to me? You refuse to help me in the kitchen. You won't help me out at the farm. And now you give me your clothes to wash.
Shut up and wash. Take. I don't want it touching on the ground.
I am a woman like you. What you are doing is not right.
Oma, I did not come to that house to suffer. I came to do what you have not been able to do. To give him children. Have them.
I left 2 heads of carrots in this bag. I can't find it.
We are 3 in this house.
I wanted to use that money to buy more clothes for you. Oma, come here. Where's the money you stole from this bag?
Money?
Yes, money.
I did not see any money.
Oma, I will not ask you this again. Where is the money you stole from this bag?
My lord, I have lived with you for 5 years and over. Not for once have you looked for anything. Not even money.
Are you trying to say that I stole the money?
I'm trying to say I saw you search the bag last night.
Jombo! My husband! Did you hear that? Your witch of a wife just called me a thief! Hey!
Please just tell him where you kept the money.
Oma,
My lord.
are you saying my wife is a thief?
Olisa, Biko. I am going to my mother's house. Oh, hey! Oma, because I came to help you bear children. You now call me a thief. Olisa, I am going back to my mother's house.
Oma, go to the bush and get me a big cane. I will punish you for stealing from me. Move!
My husband, your wife just called me a thief. Oh. She just called me a thief. Oh, but did I do anything bad to help you bear children?
It's okay.
So you see, love is not the problem. It's not the problem. Sometimes pride takes over our senses. What can never be us.
She's here to return with the king.
Maybe she's looking for a big one. She will come back, don't worry. Don't worry.
Hi.
Let me massage you. Let me massage you.
Hi.
So you can see the truth.
Why do I suffer this way?
You are a stubborn flower. The gods told me to ask you why you chose to suffer.
I did not choose to suffer. It came to me.
No, you chose it. Oyoko warned you earlier.
You know my grandmother?
What did she tell you the day she died? When I join my ancestors, which is soon, you have to make a sacrifice to Lash River so that your powers will manifest.
What powers, grandmother?
You have two powers, healing power and soothsaying powers.
No, grandmother. I told you, I want to be a dancer and a weaver.
Do not take the path which the gods do not destine for you. It will lead you to adversity. When you get to Ulash, hit this 3 times on the river.
Grandmother, where do I keep this?
I don't know. Get me my snuff box.
Okay. Grandmother, the snuff box. Grandmother. Snuff box. Grandmother.
Your snuff. Grandmother.
You have the power to your jaw and pen in your hands. Choose the one you want.
What do I see when I stand before Lash River?
Say what is in your mind.
Before you with this sacrifice. Accept it. Accept it. Accept it. Open my eyes.
I told you she would live by herself.
Now we can be happy together. Hey.
I thought you'd come back to your people.
What is she doing here?
Let Annie eat anyone who has eaten from me in secret and in open. Let calamity upon calamity for anyone who has caused me pain.
house and you're asking questions.
What can never be us, can never be us. It's all about destiny, destiny. Show you she. Love is not the problem. It's not the problem.
Ugoma! Ugoma, get up! Get up, you're doing me.
What is it?
Ugoma, you left my compound unkept and you are sleeping.
Lisa, what is it?
Ugoma, don't tell me you have been sleeping since morning.
I'm tired. Did you allow me sleep last night?
You left my compound unkept and you're here sleeping. Did you even prepare my meal?
If you're hungry, go and roast some yam.
Will you get up from there, go to the kitchen and prepare something for me? You're telling me if I'm hungry, I should go to the kitchen and prepare something. Are you high? Get up!
Oh, Molisa!
What can never be us, can never be us. It's all about destiny, destiny. It's all about destiny. It's all about destiny, destiny.
Ugoma, we need to talk.
About what?
I'm not seeing any signs on you.
What sign?
Signs of pregnancy, of course.
Do you expect me to get pregnant when you haven't planted any seed in me?
Ugoma, it is more than 9 months you came in here.
Hey! Olisa! Olisa, please, Biko, Biko! Don't even get me started. When your witch of a wife, Oma, was here with you for 5 years, giving birth to children that kept dying, did you question her? Did you question her?
I am not questioning you. I'm only saying you should do something about it. I need a child.
So, what should I do about it? Make myself pregnant?
I didn't say that. I'm only saying you're unserious about it.
Olisa Nwokoma. Olisa Nwokoma. If you want a child, take me inside and make me pregnant.
What kind of a woman is this? Ugoma! 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 Ugoma, did I not tell you to go to the stream and wash these clothes for me?
I did not hear you say that.
How will you hear me when all you know is to sleep and sleep and sleep when all the women have gone to the farm?
Hi.
Ulisa, you can't shout. You can't shout.
Ugoma, who are shouting? No, I am shouting. Did you say I am shouting? Ugoma, if you say that again, I will hit your head on this wall. Will you take these clothes and go to the stream and wash them? Ugoma, take these clothes and go to the stream and wash them. Ugoma, are you still standing? All of them, all of them. Pick all of them. Take them, take it. Take it, take it, take it. Go. Nonsense. What kind of nonsense is this? Eh?
Please, I need more of those herbs. He's beginning to come back to his senses. Please, I desperately need it.
You have to be very careful. Do not eat with him, or you will love him more and do whatever he says.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Olisa, henceforth, you will never, ever raise your voice at me again. You will love me unconditionally up until death do us part. Food is ready. Come and eat. Come.
Hmm? It tastes like what is prepared by the gods. It's sweet.
Obim, you know I'm a good cook.
That is why I've chosen you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Do you want me to get you some more?
No. This one, I'm okay with this one. Get me water.
Okay.
Water. Hey! I love this woman. I love this woman. What is that, my friend?
You have forgotten me.
Oh, I thought we are now enemies because of Oma.
Oh, why would you say that? I met you well.
Anyway, why would you say like that? I met you well. Sit down, wash your hand and join me. You always come around when there is food.
I should wash my hand.
Wash your hand and join me.
Oh yeah. Hey. Olisa, my very good friend. You enjoy, you know. You really enjoy. Yeah. That is why I have a good wife. Listen, there's too much salt and pepper in this food.
It is delicious. This is the best meal I've eaten in ages.
I will only eat because I'm hungry. Eat.
Emezi!
Our wife.
This food is sweet, Obi Mom.
This food is delicious. Must be wonderful. I mean, this food.
Will you shut up your mouth and eat this food? Stop talking. Eat it.
These are my very good friend.
I'll be back. Emezi, what is it?
Ugoma, please. Ugoma, wait, please. Ugoma, please, wait. Ugoma, please.
What is it?
Ugoma, I do not know what you have done to me. But I've been thinking of you since yesterday.
Emezi,
Yes.
do you realize I'm someone's wife? Your best friend's wife.
Yes, I know. But I can't hold myself. Ugoma, I am in love with you. I beg you. Please, I beg you. I can't hold myself. I'm in love with you. Please, I beg of you.
What is it? What has come over you, eh?
You, Ugoma. You have come over me. I swear by my G. You have taken over me.
It means I said you should stand up. Stand up! I said you should stand up now!
Please. Biko, please, Ugoma.
I'm sorry. Yeah? Please, get up. Let me help you up. Get up and eat, please.
Must you sit beside me? Come over here.
Sorry.
You don't want to join me?
No, I'm not hungry. Sorry. Obi.
Pepe.
Sorry.
Pepe. Sorry. Did you put the whole Pepe in this clan? There's too much Pepe. Hey, go.
Sorry.
I don't do Pepe, you know that. Hey. Go with some water.
Obi, you know other men don't cook for their wives.
What are you trying to say? That I'm lazy?
No. Sorry. Obi, I'm sorry.
I will leave this food for you.
Sorry, you are not lazy. Obi, from today you will not enter that kitchen to cook again. I will be cooking for you alone. I don't want you to stress yourself again. You will not enter.
Get me water. Get me some water.
Don't worry.
Get me some water.
Tomorrow I will make offense.
Get me some water. Get me some water.
Sorry, water.
We'll see.
Sorry. Ugoma. Yes, boy, Oma. Hey. Oh yeah, I have come. Ugoma, why, Oma? I brought all this for you, just to show you my love for you. And this one is Azobo. I dried it myself. Hope you like it.
Hey, Ngozi.
Oh?
You don't have to come with all this just to show your love for me.
Love? What's love? What is going on here?
Is it a bad thing for your friend to bring gifts for me?
Obim, it is not a bad thing. But I heard him say love.
Since when has love become a bad thing?
It is not a bad thing, but you're my wife.
Nobody's disputing that. Ngozi. Ngozi, thank you so much. You can go now.
Ugoma, you see, if you need anything at all, let me know. I will provide them for you.
I will do that.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Ugoma, you are such a beautiful woman. I have never seen a woman in this clan whose beauty equals yours. Mancha, I have not seen.
Ngozi, I hear that a lot. Thank you so much. Like I said earlier, you can go.
Emize, you can go. You can go. Emize, get out of my house. Get out.
Wokim, in a weekly walk, it's not good for you. But meanwhile, Chalo, see, I rather stay behind. In case you need anything, I'm not doing anything at my hut. I'll just run out, get it for you. Anything.
Monsieur, leave. Leave my house! Get out!
Should I go?
You can go if you like.
I like rum. I want to stay. I like rum. Let me stay. I like staying close to you. To go any message.
Monsieur! Monsieur! Leave my house. Now get out of my house! Leave! Leave!
Oh, Lisa, what is wrong with you?
Okay, nothing is wrong with me.
So why are you disturbing him?
Oh.
Ngozi, you can go and come back later.
In that case, I will go. And I will come back in the night.
Not a problem. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. This as well.
Monsieur!
Just for you. in case you need anything, send somebody to come and call. Why, Oma?
I know go.
Why, Oma? Oh, yeah.
Why are you still standing there?
Okay.
Okay, pack these things to the back of the hut.
Huh?
Nyem, give me. And when you're done, come and take this your poison. You went to bring the whole pepper in this clan. This is trouble. I have to do something fast.
Ngozi is in love with my wife. No, this is not happening. No! It cannot happen. It's not happening.
What do you seek from me?
Oko, my husband's friend eats the food I put the love charm with my husband. And he's been following me round the village, prophesying love.
Did I not warn you not to let anyone eat with him?
No! No, you didn't.
I did. Well, there's nothing I can do. You have to wait until the charm expires.
So he will keep embarrassing me in the village?
If he wants love, then give him love. If you deny him such, then you will be the one madly in love with him.
What if he wants to take me in?
That is the reward of love. Like I said, if you deny him such, you will be the one madly in love with him.
No! No, no, Oko, no! There must be a way to deal with this. There must be an antidote.
There is no antidote for him until the charm expires.
What are you doing here?
See, I came so we can lavish our love together. Now the coast is clear. Now that there's no one at home. Yes.
Please, go home. I don't want you to get me into trouble.
Trouble? No. I can't get you into trouble. It's not possible.
And what if I get you into trouble?
I don't care. I don't mind. I don't mind. What matters is to be with you.
Okay, go home.
Dikeh.
Ngozi! What are you doing in my husband's chamber?
I can't control it anymore. I can't hold myself anymore. The piece in between my legs. He's moving from left to right.
Then you have to stop thinking about me, or you get yourself a wife.
It's you that I want. So you can help me quench this fire in between my legs.
Ngozi, it is an abomination. And you know that.
Nobody will know.
The gods will know.
Let the gods punish me instead.
Hey! Okay, fine. Wait. Amazing. Why don't we do this in your hut?
Mama. Next time, let's just do this one here. The fire is burning.
It's okay. Go and shut the door.
You want to rape my wife? Please. Hey! What? What have you done?
Is it dead?
What have you done? You kidding? You're just lucky. This is the little of what I will do to you.
Oh, Lisa is dead.